Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up mortgage rates research with Bankrate step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Bankrate website. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Type in mortgage rates in the search bar and hit enter. You will be redirected to the mortgage rates section of the website. Here, you will see a list of current mortgage rates from various lenders. Choose the type of mortgage you are interested in, such as fixed, adjustable, or refinance. Click on the appropriate link to view detailed rate information. Take note of the rates presented, as they can vary based on loan amount and credit score. Scroll down to find additional resources and articles related to mortgage rates. Make sure to read through these articles for valuable insights and tips. Look for the historical mortgage rates section on the page. This section will help you analyze trends over time. If you want to dive deeper, click on any state or city-specific rates listed. This can give you a more localized understanding of mortgage trends. Once you've gathered your data, it's important to document it. Open a word processor or spreadsheet application. Record the various rates you've noted and any relevant articles or insights. Be sure to include dates and sources for future reference. Save this document in a securely backed up location, such as cloud storage or an external drive. Consider setting reminders to check back on the site regularly for updated rates. This ensures you stay informed about changes in the mortgage landscape. Regularly reviewing this information will assist you in making educated decisions. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to back up your mortgage rates research effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.